Story of a widowed mother who had an only son. She worked very hard to bring him up, to give him all the comforts. But the son happened to fall into bad company. He joined a Gunda gang and he wanted to be like the leader of the gang. In the beginning, they asked him to do some stealing and thieving, took him along to raid banks, do robbery, gang robbery. Eventually, his desire was to be the member of the gang, to be accepted by the gang leader. It still was not taken by them. So the gang leader said, if you want to be a loyal member, want us to accept you, you have to bring the heart of your only mother. And that cruel son kills his mother, takes her heart, and goes running to meet his gang leader. While running on the way, his leg hits a stone and he falls down, hits his head on the ground. And a voice comes out from the heart, Baba, are you hurt? Nothing happened to you. Such is the compassionate heart of our earthly mother. How much more compassionate heart of Mother Mary. She was a tough woman, had a strong heart. She was concerned about her son when her son was lost in the temple along with her husband. They went out looking for him. And then later, when he was an adult, she had to listen to the calumny against her son by the people. Your son is mad. He takes out demons. He's a glutton. All types of bad words. She was the one who was there beside her son, who carried the cross and was crucified. She was there at the cross when he was crucified and bleeding. And it was she who received a dead body of her son. And eventually, she was there with the apostles, guiding them and leading the church at Pentecost. So let us then ask the grace to be like Mother Mary, who was beloved of God, who is crowned Queen in heaven, and who always there for us whenever we reach out to her to intercede for us. To be like her, she was like God, humble, forgiving, compassionate, loving, generous.